Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am back with the DEK unboxing, enveloping, whatever you want to say. Hold on. I've got to take out my personal information first, and then I can show you. So I hope you guys are having a great day. It is so hot here. It is so crazy hot. We're having a great day, just hot. And I'm finally able to move on some things on the partnership and different things that I've been trying to get done for a year, feels like. And so lots is being accomplished. Plus, we're trying to set up our new camper and get it all cleaned out and put in everything and see what we need from inside the house and, you know, that kind of stuff. So it's just been, whew, wow. And just going in and out and up and down in the camper is, man, pray for my knees. That's all I can say. So, but I'm super excited because there's enough space for me to take probably 3 boxes of crafts. And my husband doesn't know that's what I'm planning, but that's what I'm planning. So I'm super excited. And we have a big, huge pantry because they took out the second bath. It was like a partial bath and, you know, just like a powder bath. And so we've been discussing, should we put one back in, all that kind of stuff. So I'm not really sure what we're going to do, but we'll see. We'll see. So anyway, but I think we need, and he kept saying, this is crazy. We should have had the second bath, but you know. Oh well. So, whoops, there goes my alarm. Sorry. Okay, now I'm super excited because I think I know what this is. Yes. Look at this. This is Reset. I feel like I need such a reset in my life right now. Isn't that gorgeous? Just a gorgeous gold foil. I hope you can see that. I think that's gold, or is that rose gold? I am so tired right now. Please forgive me, guys. I am silly tired. So, no, that's a rose gold. Ooh, I love it. So, I love that. Oh, so pretty. Oh, I think I'll be using that. Oh, I love that. And that's almost clear, but it's kind of an opaque. It may be clear. No, it is clear. These are clear. Oh, how beautiful are those? Those are going to be beautiful to overlay on things. Ooh, look at this one. This one is Celestial Cactus. I hope you guys are seeing all that. Let me see. I think if I set... Whoops, wait a minute. Let me make sure I showed you all that. So here's this. Here is this one. Isn't that gorgeous? All the washi. I know, it's so pretty. And then this one has like that overlay effect. Okay, now we're in Celestial Cactus. So, all right, let's see here. This one, oh, I love this. I love the colors, the pink, the orange, a little bit of yellow, and of course the green for the cactus. This reminds me so much of Arizona. So, I really love that. And New Mexico too. All those colors are so vibrant there. That gorgeous red dirt. So this is, again, clear, thin, overlaid beautifully. Super, super neat. Love that. Okay, so Celestial Cactus. There's part 2. Now, let's see, glamping, which is perfect right now because that's all we're talking about right now. It's camping. So I love this. The crackers and the soda and all that good stuff, or whatever you want that drink to be for you. And yeah, I love it. Oh, look at that. Isn't that cute? Oh, that is totally rose gold. That totally floats my boat. And then here's those clear overlays again. I love it. So, I mean, we are eating and breathing camping right now. We are watching videos on campgrounds and campers, and because this is a completely different kind of camper than we've ever had. We had a very minimal bottom of the, not quite bottom of the line, but pretty low key trailer before. No slides, no nothing. And this is an RV with bells and whistles from 2003. So it's 2003. So we're just trying to figure out things. And literally, I walked in the house from my husband's office a second ago, and I was like, oh, air conditioning. And I hear him scream, hey, I found the spare tire. Because I asked him, do we have a spare tire? So this one is Sunflower Kisses, and this I will use in memory keeping. These are 2-page kits. They come with washi, and you can use the days of the week. There's all these wonderful tags and what I call like the little postage stamp stickers. And then these are gorgeous. You can also use them in Bible journaling. These are fantastic. I love these. So, and that one is called Sunflower Kisses, which I raised sunflowers this year. I also have some gorgeousness from Hobonichi. This is for my Hobonichi, pardon me. So I love the colors, and it's got macaroons and teacups, and oh man, that floats my boat. Teapots and all kinds of flowers. So pretty. All right, now I've got more for memory keeping and or Bible journaling. So this one is called Pastel Summer, and I love that. That reminds me of my parents had a picture of row houses, and I believe it was is it Charlottesville? I can't remember if it's South Carolina or Georgia. I think it was Georgia they were in. I'm terrible. I'm blanking out on the town. Anyways, it was gorgeous. My daughter took it. She asked if she could have it. We said, of course, after they passed away. So it reminds me of that picture. And then here's this darling and all that. And Let the Butterflies. So pretty. And it looks rose gold. And then the washi, days of the week, and then more of those other little stamps that I love so much. And let me see, are these headers? Yeah, they're headers. So that's neat. I love it. Okay. Another one for memory keeping Bible journaling. So I have used this before. This is the English Cottage. I love it. Matter of fact, I'm setting my sister up a planner for her birthday. Shh, don't tell anybody. And so I'm going to be using some of that for hers as well. Just to keep it really low key. And I may just do like the monthly and that's it. Just something that she can keep, her information in. So, okay. And this one is Farmhouse Christmas. And I love this one. Yes, we live in a farmhouse, but yes, I love it. It just feels very folk arty. And when my husband and I first married almost 36 years ago, I was very much into folk art, toll painting, all of that. I stunk at toll painting, but I was great at folk art because it was very primitive. And so when I saw this kit, I was like, yes, I love that one. Oh, and I got the gold in that one. And then, of course, it comes with a set of date dots. And that means more stickers, guys. And then the decoratives and the scallops, and then the eyelet scallops, and then the banner. So beautiful. And I've got the half boxes and the quarter boxes and all decorative half boxes. And then the 3 listed type things. So 3 priorities for the day. It's perfect. Then you get 1 day off. And then I use this for my menu. And then these are just for info. And then your habit trackers. And I love the word titles. I love those. And then lastly, we've got more of the headers that are labeled, which are fantastic. And then more just glitter headers, weekend, and then additional kind of decorative label. It's it's scalloped. It's very pretty. Hold on, just so you can see, very pretty. And then another little bit of washi, and then you've also got additional little to make lists with. So I love that. Okay, absolutely love this order. That got here pretty quick. It seems like I just ordered it, but I don't remember exactly. Usually it takes 30 days when you place an order before she gets them out, because it is one sweet lady working at the salt mine. So she is really doing so much. So there's all that gorgeousness. Now look at, I got that extra. That is so pretty. I love that one. That's brand new. I haven't seen that, and I love these. Gorgeous. And then, and Dawn always throws in some extra, but this, if you put my name, KRIS, it's listed below in the comment box, you will get this gorgeousness for free. And these are clear, and they're beautiful foil overlays. So you can see they are just beautiful. And then a beautiful bow marker. So, all right. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you're cooler than we are. My husband laughed. He said, I think Monday we're going to hit like 99. And I mean, Texas is always in the hundreds in August. So I don't think in our area have broken 100 degrees yet. We have been very blessed. So, but I hope you guys like all this. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Tell me which one was your favorite. And do you like foiled or not foiled stickers for your planners? Okay, that's a question. Or your Bible journaling or anything else you're working in. I'm a girl that loves the glitz, so I love it all. I'm going to tell you. Anyways, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. We'd love to have you. We have just hit our 1,400 subscribers. So today is Wednesday. Very crazy busy day. I'm hoping by Friday I will do a drawing for two winners, and I'm super excited. You must be subscribed, and you must have been subscribed by the 1,400, but doesn't mean don't subscribe now, because we have another drawing at 2,000, okay? So let's get to 2,000 before the year end. Please share this with anybody that might be encouraged by our channel. I'm doing a lot more Bible journaling right now, and I hope that will be an encouragement to y'all. And yeah, and we're getting ready to get into all of our hymnal journaling, and I found everything for hymnal journaling. I'm so thrilled. So we might have a giveaway there too. I know. I'm excited. So, all right. I'm going to be back with a couple more unboxings, and that will be it. So, I love you guys. Be safe, guys. And y'all just take care of each other. Be encouraging to each other. That's the most important thing. That's what this channel's all about. Okay? It's really tough times. It is right now. And, you know, whoever I talk to on the phone, I just try to be upbeat, encouraging, you know, stay safe, all that good stuff. And I mean, I spent 2 hours sitting on the phone with T-Mobile. Yes, you heard me. 2 hours. And it was awful. But by the end, the lady was so sweet to me. She goes, you know, Miss KRIS, we're just so glad, and you're just so sweet, and I'm a mom too, and God bless you. And I was like, oh, yay, God bless you too, you know. And so, you know, because I always say, God bless you, be safe, and they're just like, and I was like, oh, yay, God bless you too. So anyways, it was just a fun phone call by the end. Now, not the 2 hours, not the previous, like, you know, 1 hour and 55 minutes. It wasn't fun, but the last 5 was very sweet. So let's just encourage each other, even if we get frustrated or if we get tired or whatever is going on. Let's just try to do our best, okay? All right, friends. I pray again that your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thank you so much for being here. All right, friends. Love y'all. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.